Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's December the 20th, 2021. We're going to talk about Shiba Inu today. I wanted to come in and show you all what the market has done since my last video. And you guys can see it from the chart. Yeah, I was trying to play the strength into the market in Shiba Inu. And at some point, you got to recognize and say, yeah, maybe that's not going to happen. Well, I'm going to speak on that today. And then I'm going to speak to you all about where I'm looking for the market to go in Shiba Inu, possibly continue to go down, so that we can be prepared. So if you guys appreciate my videos, my price predictions, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel to ensure that you recognize and won't be unprepared as to where prices are going to go. So first, let me talk about my last price prediction in Shiba Inu. I'm going to be fully transparent with everyone who watches our videos to show you that, yeah, we get some right and we get some wrong. This is one to where we didn't get it right. Now, from out the gate, Shiba Inu did not go up. So at some point, this would have been an opportunity for us to just cut the play quick and just say, yeah, this did not even go right. I need to let it go, because if I don't, I will increase the losses. This is what we need to learn and understand when we come into these markets, that you got to know when to cut it and not continue to hold on to positions and wish and pray that the market's going to come back up. Sometimes you got to let it go, because if we did not let the play go right here into the market in Shiba Inu, the second day of us doing our price prediction, December the 4th, we'll be down 34% right now. See that? Because if I'm still looking for the price in Shiba Inu to drop, I need to cut it now. Take the 34% loss and take the other side of the position. Take the other side of the trade, especially if you think the market's going to continue to go lower. So yeah, we did not get this right from out the gate. Even as we see prices continue to trade on a daily basis, there hasn't been no strength coming to the market in Shiba Inu, none. So out of all of these YouTubers pushing this currency, pushing this cryptocurrency, they're not even able to have any influence on Shiba Inu. You guys got to ask yourself the question, how is that possible? Literally everyone on YouTube who pushes Shiba Inu videos is talking about it's going to go up. It's talking about that it's going to go up to the moon, that we're going to be rich, that we're going to be wealthy, right? But every day we have been in a steep decline in Shiba Inu. Question who you view on YouTube. Ask them, leave them the comments, put them on Front Street and say, well, you telling me price is going up, and the whole time since October the 28th, Shiba Inu has been coming down. We've lost since the high that came in on October the 28th. We've lost 66%, and you'll still see videos on YouTube trying to tell you all that Shiba Inu is going to go up. The whole time we've been seeing price come down. They're only doing this for ad revenue. They're not doing you any service of continuing to tell you that the price of Shiba Inu is going to go up. So now let me go ahead and get rid of this, because yeah, if I'm looking for price to continue to go down, I need to cut it right now. That's 33.95%. All right. So check this out. First things first, I was looking for price in Shiba Inu to come in and hold this 35/100ths of a thousandth of a penny. I wanted it to see buyers there. As you can see, the buyers did not step in. So I need to lower where I expect to see the buyers. Is it around 2,500 thousandths of a penny? Is it 200 thousandths of a penny? That we can see Shiba Inu ultimately find the buyers. This is the purpose of this video. We need to find the buyers. We're in a downtrend, a straight downtrend. There's no strength coming into the market in Shiba Inu. Maybe Elon needs to do a tweet for Shiba Inu. What do you all think? Because for one, you guys can see right here that the overall trend in Shiba Inu is broken, right? All of this monumental movement that we saw back in October, we broke that here on November the 15th. That's a dead giveaway that the overall market is no longer bullish. But no one on YouTube has been telling you all this. They haven't even shown it to you. So now, let me zoom out, because we need to talk and see where the buyers are at, remember? So, first things first, you guys can see this area right here, okay? This is the next spot that I'm looking for the buyers to try to step in Shiba Inu. Okay. Yes. Right around here. Now, when I showed you the 2 weeks time frame, I want to ask you all the question: do you really think buyers are going to show up around 27 hundredths of a thousandths of a penny here? Do you really think that? Let me show it to you. Okay, so this is the 2 weeks time frame, and I want you all to see how the price over the last 2 weeks in Shiba Inu closed on the low end of the bar. Okay, that lets us know that, yeah, there's not buyers showing up. The sellers are still dominating the market in Shiba Inu. So we have to be prepared for the continuation of prices declining in this space. It is what it is, right? The buyers could not uphold the selling that occurred on this 2 week price bar. So again, we need to continue to expect some weakness to come through into the market in Shiba Inu. Look at this on the weekly. Look at what happened last week, right there. This is in combination to what happened on the week of November 29th. I mean, come on. So I am looking for price in Shiba Inu to come down. Now, the price that I'm looking at initially for us to see buyers is right around this area here. Okay, right there. Now, if we cannot hold this area, be prepared for us to come down here. Yeah. 1700 thousandths of a penny. Right there. 1700 thousandths of a penny. Right there. So I'm already preparing those who view this video that, yeah, we could see price go that low. No one is talking about that right now. But when you look at this from a monthly perspective, December, look at that. If we're not able to see the market bounce around 2,500 thousandths of a penny, be prepared for us to go down to that 1,700 thousandths of a penny. Just saying. Now, let me go back and put this on the daily time frame, because like I said, there's no buyers in the market right now in Shiba Inu, none. And just because we saw price in Shiba Inu unable to capitalize and break above 3,500 thousandths of a penny, which is right here, we already know that this area is going to be restriction, right? Now, seeing that I'm noticing the weakness on a longer term time frame, I got to extend this up a little bit further, right? So I really won't become bullish into the market in Shiba Inu until I see the price break 400 thousandths of a penny up here. I won't become bullish. I won't expect the price to go up, okay, literally. So I have us expecting the market initially in Shiba Inu to come down here towards 27. It's about 2,700 thousandths of a penny. That's my first spot for us to nibble and take some profitability off the table. That gives us 7.5%. Next area would be down here around 2,500 thousandths of a penny. Right? That's the second area. That would give us around 16.5. And then lastly would be around 2,300 thousandths of a penny. All right, so let me get rid of this. Don't want to cause no confusion. Giving you all 3 price targets here that I'm looking for the market in Shiba Inu to come down towards. Let me see. Right there. Okay. Let's make it 200 thousandths of a penny. All right, so that's it. I'm going to extend this out to beginning of 2022, January, and now we are in position. I mean, just look at the chart. Sometimes you just don't need to be paying attention to what people say on YouTube, and just look at what the market is telling you. I mean, look at that. Now, eventually, yes, we're going to get a pop, and everyone's going to come on YouTube and act like they called it. They've been waiting on it forever. You've been hodling for the last 12 months, and now you finally get a pop, and you think that you're on your way up, back up to a penny, right? But the whole time the market is dead in Shiba Inu. There's nothing here right now. So now, let me know though. I mean, you might see something totally different, which is cool, which is fine. You have your own brain. I mean, I'm not here to convince or persuade you. I'm just simply showing you what I am noticing on the price chart. So now it's your turn. Tell me, what do you notice? Where do you think the price is going to go to round out 2021? Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.